Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the if your Spotify music is not working. So guys, if you can't hear a music or anything, you are facing any problem of Spotify, then this video is for you. I'm gonna show you five tricks to fix the problem. So I hope if the one tricks doesn't help you, the other will surely help you. So guys, without wasting time, please hit the subscribe button and let's start to the video. So guys, first of all, what you have to do is you have to go to Google Play Store to fix your any problem of Spotify music. So guys, first you have to go to Google Play Store and then search for Spotify music, and then here you have to check whether your Spotify music application has been updated or not. So if your Spotify is not yet updated, you have to update the Spotify music application, and then you can check whether the music application is working or not. So guys, if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do is you have to go to your phone settings. Let me go to my phone settings. Here you can see here, so just click on your phone settings. I hope everybody has a phone settings, and then scroll down, and then after scrolling down you will find an option here, install apps or app management. Everybody has a option for application in your settings. So let me go here, and then after going here, what you have to do, if you have an option for searching option, then you can search here Spotify, Spotify, you can see here. And also if you don't have the option, then you just scroll down and I'm sure you'll get the option here, you can see here. So just let me click here, and after that, now what you have to do is you will find an option, app permission, you can see here. So just click on the app permission, and then you have to allow all the permission here. So you can see I have allowed it. So now go back, and after going back, you have to click on clear data, you can see here. So just tap on clear data, and then you have to clear all the data here. So guys, after clearing all the data and after adding all the permission, then you can go and check it out your Spotify account if it is working or not. So guys, the third step is to go to your phone settings again. This is the third steps I'm showing you. After going to phone setting, what you have to do is you have to go to your option for of about phone option. So after going to about phone option, what you have to do is you'll find a system update here. So just click on the system update option, and then if your system is asking for any update, you have to update. You can see here they will ask an update like this. So now guys, if you want to update this, you have to update your system. After updating your system, you can check whether your Spotify music is working or not. So guys, if this is the third problem, and the fourth problem is what you have to do is, if the problem doesn't work, then you have to uninstall the application here. So after uninstalling the application, you have to reinstall it, and then after reinstalling, you have to restart your phone. After restarting your phone, you can check whether the problem has been solved or not. So the last the last tricks that you can solve the problem of Spotify music is that you have to the last option is that you have to go to Google Play Store. After going to Google Play Store, you will find you have to search for Spotify. So now after searching for Spotify, you have to scroll down, and then you will find here developer contact. So now you have to click here, and then you will find an email of Spotify here. So just click on the Spotify, and then it will redirect to your email section. So now you can type, you can see here Spotify email. So you can type here, I will show you what you have to type. Sir, I am finding very difficult to use the SYS system. So sir, kindly look forward for my problem. Yes, I can play my songs. So guys, if you have any problem, any like if your song is not playing, if you can't download the application songs, then you can type here. So you have to type in this way, and then you have to send the email. Let me just send here, you can see here, just send the email. So after sending the email, you have to wait for 1 day or 24 hours. You will receive one email, and then after receiving in the email, they will instruct you what to do, and then you have to do the same, and then I'm sure your Spotify account will be your Spotify application will be used. So for this you have to wait for 24 hours. So guys, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, don't forget to like it and share it, and also please comment down. So bye bye.